ang binibuild ng Diyos ay hindi ang ating dream house. Ang binibuild ng Diyos, hindi ang ating bank account. Ang binibuild ng Diyos, hindi ang ating magaran house of worship. Now, don't get me wrong. I am praying for a house of worship. But God is not really interested in building your house of worship. God is